So this is my Sailor Moon pocket watch, and I love Sailor Moon ever since I was a kid or a teenager. And I finally got some type of Sailor Moon collectible display. As you can see, it's tiny too, just like that Harry Potter pocket watch. This is slightly bigger. Hey, I see myself. As you can see, Sailor Moon or Princess Serenity or Queen Serenity is in the middle. Got a Roman numbers display. Not bad for about, how much did I pay for this? About $3, $4, something like that on AliExpress. And of course to set it, you just pull this up and then you start turning. Alright, well I'll talk to you later. Bye. So this is my collection. I just have one more thing to get right there and possibly right over here. Once Xena finally ships, then my whole thing will be complete. And then again, I might get the sorting hat, the miniature right here. I need something to fill this space.